Hi, today we are going to learn about calculating probability of something not happening. Let's look at a problem. Solve. You have a bag filled with coins. There is one red, one blue, one yellow and one green coin in the bag. You pull out one coin without putting it back. You pull out another coin. You cannot look in the bag. What is the probability of you getting anything except a blue coin in the first time and green coin on your second pull? Now let's look at the first pull. How many total outcomes I have? Total outcomes means total coins in the bag. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many favorable outcomes? Favorable outcomes become I can get anything except a blue coin in the first time. So if I remove a blue coin, I'll get three options. I can get a red, I can get a yellow, I can get a green. So favorable outcomes become 3. So the probability becomes favorable outcomes over the total outcomes. That's 3 over 4. Now, when talking about the second pull, my total outcomes become 3 since I'm not putting the coin back which I have pulled out in the first time. Now, favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes is I can get a green coin on your second pull and I have only one green coin in the bag. So favorable outcomes become 1. So the probability of the second pull becomes 1 over 3. That's favorable outcomes over the total outcomes. Now I need probability of you getting anything except a blue coin in the first time and green coin on your second pull. Whenever the word and is specified, we will multiply both the probabilities. So probability of event E, let me term this whole as event E, is equal to 3 over 4 times 1 over 3. 3 gets cancelled. This is 1 over 4, which is the answer in the B part. You can highlight it. Next problem. Solve. You have a bag filled with coins. There is one red, one blue, one yellow, one green, one purple, one grey, and one black coin. One red, one blue, one yellow, one green, one purple, one grey, and one black coin. You can pull out one coin without putting it back. You pull out another coin. You cannot look into the bag. What is the probability of you getting anything except a yellow coin in the first time and grey coin on your second pull? Now, first pull, my probability becomes favorable outcomes over the total outcomes. Favorable, I can get anything except a yellow coin. And what are the total? First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 total coins and I can get anything except a yellow coin. There is one yellow coin. So I can get anything, any one coin out of 6 coins. So probability becomes 6 over 7 for the first pull. Now for the second pull, I'm not putting the coin back. So my total outcomes become 6 for the second pull and I have to get a gray coin on the second pull. So one gray coin, 1 over 6. So now probability of this event. Let's name this event as E. So probability of E equals 6 over 7 times 1 over 6. 6 cancel. That's 1 over 7, which is the answer in the C part. Next problem. So you have a bag filled with pens. There is one blue, one yellow, one green, one purple, and one gray pen in the bag. You can pull out one pen without putting it back. You pull out another pen. You cannot look into the bag. What is the probability of you getting anything except a purple pen for the first time and blue pen on your second pull? Let's name this event as E. Probability of the first pull. How many total pens in the bag? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So probability of first pull. Total outcomes 5. Favorable. Now favorable outcomes, I can get anything except a purple pen. So one purple pen, so 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 over 5. Now probability of second pull. Total outcomes become 4 since I'm not putting the pen back, and I need a blue pen on the second pull. There is one blue pen, so 1 over 4. So the probability of event E becomes 4 over 5 times 1 over 4 cancelled, 1 over 5, which is the answer in the D part. I hope you can practice more problems on calculating probability of something not happening now. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.